me ask you something. Have you ever held off on exploring an FHA home loan because you heard it was only for first-time home buyers? Or maybe you think it's just for people with poor credit. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. And I promise you, you're not getting the full story. Hi, I'm Kevin Martini with the Martini Mortgage Group, and this is the 200th episode of the Martini Mortgage Podcast, and it's called 5 Myths About FHA Home Loans You Need to Stop Believing. I'm here to set the record straight on what is an amazing mortgage solution, the FHA home loan. Unfortunately, there are so many myths out there that could be keeping you from exploring this fantastic opportunity that can help you become a homeowner. But first, I need to make those legal folks happy, so I'm Kevin Martini, a certified mortgage advisor and producing branch manager, NMLS 143962 with the Martini Mortgage Group at Gold Star Mortgage Financial Corporation, NMLS 3446, Equal Housing Lender. This podcast is here to inform, educate, and entertain, not to provide legal or professional advice. Now, with that out of the way, let me bust the biggest myths about FHA loans. Myths that could be holding you back from your dream home. Let's start with myth number 1. FHA loans are only for first-time home buyers. This is hands down the most common misconception, and it's completely false. Yes, FHA loans are popular with first-time home buyers because of their flexibility, but they're not exclusive to them. You can use an FHA loan whether you're a first-time buyer, a second-time buyer, or heck, it's even your 10th time. In fact, there is a unique situation where you can even have more than one FHA loan at the same time. Plus, FHA home loans are assumable, meaning if you sell your home in the future, the buyer might be able to take over your low FHA rate. So whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or starting fresh, don't cross the FHA loan off your list. Many buyers in Raleigh, which is in Wake County, and many buyers across North Carolina find that the FHA loan is a perfect fit for their situation. Now, myth number 2, FHA loans have higher interest rates. Here's the truth. This could not be farther from reality. FHA loans often offer incredibly competitive rates, and in most cases, they're even lower than a conventional loan. Now, why is this? FHA home loans are insured by the government, which reduces risk for lenders like us at the Martini Mortgage Group. That means we can offer better terms. Of course, your credit score and market conditions still play a very big role, but don't assume an FHA loan means higher cost. If you've been avoiding an FHA mortgage for this reason, it's time to take another look. Now, let's tackle myth number 3. You need to have perfect credit to get an FHA home loan. This one stops so many people in their tracks, and it shouldn't. FHA loans are one of the most flexible mortgage options when it comes to credit. If your credit score is in the upper 500s, you can qualify for just a 3.5% down payment. Even if your score is in the low 500s, you can still qualify with a 10% down payment. Compare that to conventional loans, which typically require a higher credit score. You can see why an FHA loan is simply a game changer. So here's the Kevin Martini bottom line. Don't let less than perfect credit scores stop you from exploring your options. Let's move on to myth number 4. FHA loans require a large down payment. The truth? FHA loans are known for their low down payment requirements. You can buy a home with as little as 3.5%. So, for example, A $200,000 home, that's only $7,000. But here's something even better. At the Martini Mortgage Group, we offer a proprietary no down payment FHA home loan. Yes, you heard me right. No down payment. To learn more about this exclusive program, just call me or fellow Raleigh mortgage broker Logan Martini at 919-238-4934. Bottom line, FHA loans make homeownership accessible without breaking the bank. Now, myth number 5. FHA loans are only for low-income borrowers. This one just needs to go, folks. FHA loans are designed to make homeownership more accessible, but they're not restricted to any specific income level. Many middle-income buyers choose FHA loans because of their flexibility. And let me tell you, very savvy buyers love the FHA home loan for 2 reasons. They're one of the only mortgages that are assumable, and they offer a streamlined refinance option that doesn't require an appraisal. So whether you're a buyer on a budget or your earnings are very solid, FHA mortgages could be a smart choice for your next Raleigh home or any home that you want to buy in North Carolina. Let's recap. The facts about the FHA mortgage are they are not just for first-time buyers, they're available to repeat buyers too. FHA loans don't always come with higher rates. Often they are lower than conventional loans. You don't need perfect credit to qualify for an FHA mortgage. FHA home loans have low down payment options, and with the Martini Mortgage Group, you might even qualify for our no down payment FHA home loan. There's not just a program for low-income borrowers. The FHA is for anyone looking for a flexible, affordable way to buy a home. The truth is, FHA mortgages are a fantastic tool to help people achieve their dream of home ownership. If you're wondering whether an FHA loan is right for you, let's talk. Call us at 919-238-4934 for a complimentary, no obligation consultation that will be completely confidential. Together, we'll find the perfect mortgage solution for your unique circumstances. Thank you for tuning in to episode 200 of the Martini Mortgage Podcast called 5 Myths About FHA Home Loans That You Need to Stop Believing. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with someone who needs to hear this. The dream of homeownership is closer than you think. Let's make it happen together.